subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. Keep it to a premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Sikukune 0. I'm joined by Chris, Tutula, and China.
Hey, Steve Njayam, let's be honest. Look, uyabona Steve wena my friend befika South Africa.
Sure.
Uqale kufike 1.
Sure.
Makaqeda ufika vule yakhe ispaza shop.
Sure.
Abizo omunye ekhaya vule sakhe ispaza shop. Then ispaza shop uziyanda. Isikukune tend to be another spaza shop.
Sure.
Because of ukhazi.
Yeah.
You played with Pirates second time now. Awayithola formula yayo.
Andoda.
Now it means like it's the same thing enziwa ngoma friend ekasi bagcwalisa ikasi.
Yeah.
So now sesiyabona ukuthi kunomnye uma friend ngale eDurban City. Nango omunye uma friend naye ngale eBhayiza.
Yeah.
However, let's give credit where it's due, man.
Yeah.
With the absence of Apolis, remember that Apolis used to play 10,
sure.
Even Polokwane City.
Sure.
Undanga can master that. And then the system of Pirates that they are using, it is working for them.
Yes,
they always make sure that they get an early goal.
Yeah.
And then after they control the game.
Sure.
Isikukune tried to play Ibola Labo ngetempo ye Pirates, whereas they were supposed to drop the tempo. Now, of course, they played. It was a game of two halves. They played well in the first 10 minutes of the game. But however, but Masengvala Stibo, look man Stibo, you know, up in South Africa against the player CBZ, go halad. But ngale, I'm a friends wangale, ayazi as Mbutuma.
First of all, I would like to say congratulations to Pagania.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm a Pagania winning, Yabona. Any injury footing so issue. Yabona Stibo Pagania is a struggle school lab.
Yes.
Yabona njengoba usibizi bikangekho lapha emuva.
Yeah.
Ba struggleisha lapha emuva.
Big time.
Usema nje usayibambe kahle. Kodwa lo munye umfana usasina ama mistake omele bayilungise. Ngoba into enzoyisho manje uma bangayilungisi lento leyo ukhaze uzozana something on a Saturday and bazokhala. Stibo ubuthelezi usasekhona ku pay slip eyamabhakani engakhumbona nje aphume epali unnecessary. Let me tell you something Stibo, let me tell you something Stibo, let me tell you this Stibo nomabasa Stibo ubuthelezi i-pay slip yakhe usasekhona la ebhakani account yakhe isasekhona kumabhakani ingakho yenza nje unnecessary sales. Thank you Steve.
Steve mfowethu. Ukuyivala mngane. Uyivale leader. Ayi mfowethu simbonile. Ba-ode uHaaland bathola uhalala. Asibonile namhlanje. From Temu. Yabona into enzeka namhlanje. Sibonile ukuthi hayi namhlanje hayi. Khona manje ama-player amele ahlale ebhentshini. Abona mfethu uMbuthuma akahlale kancane mfana okade yopana kenza umsebenzi ukorile. Ukorile lapha lo wayenza into enhle nakhona into ayenza into engithandile laphana the disturbance ukuthi alento angamdlalisa ulento bakathi uyamvala uKhadoso uyakwazi ukuthi abashilde ngomzimba. Nice into engithandile ngayo. Kodwa ayokunye bafethu anizameni halala lo. Halala. Bafethu. Yabona into engizoyivuma namhlanje. Yabona into engizoyivuma namhlanje. Ayi lento nalezi encane. Lento edlala imidfield. Ayi lento nalezi imidfield. Yabona into edlala imidfield. Yabona mthiyane mfethu. I play. Abo into engivuma. uHaaland akavula lapha kumthiyane. Ayi simnandi mfethu halala bye bye. Yes. Thank you mfethu.